Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to animate a GLTF 3D model in native iOS application. So firstly I will show you the output. So here is the output of a running Fox. uh, I'll tell you how to check whether a GLTF model has this animation or not later on, but here you can see this is the animation of a fox running. Now there are three animation for this particular fox. So if I just make it as one, so it takes index like suppose you have three animations, so it starts from 0 1 and 2. So for if I run the first, like the second animation, so the index is 1, here you can see it is walking. And if I make it as 0, it will just be idle. So quickly show you that as well. So here you can see it is doing that. So let's see how to do this. So I have created a native iOS application. I am using UI kit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. The next thing what you will have to do is you will have to download the GLTF model from this particular repo. You can use whatever you feel like. If you have some other GLTF model or GLB model which has animations, you can use that as well. I would recommend you to use the GLB format, because it creates one single binary. The GLTF, I think, has different files that might become difficult to render, but I think GLB has proper binary, a single file. And we will be using this particular dependency. So we will be making use of Swift package manager. As far as I know, this dependency is not available via CocoaPods. So yeah, that's another issue. But here, as you can see, also I have taken one simple image. You can use whatever image you want. This is for background. Again, even though this looks like my background, if I show you the output, the background does not at all look like this. So you can use whatever image you want for a background. And I have also dragged and drop our GLB file inside our iOS app. Next, what you have to do is just click on file, add package dependency, and here I have just pasted that particular URL. So here you can see I have already have this particular dependency. You just have to copy this particular URL and paste it over here, and then just click on add package and it will install the dependency for you. So as you can see over here, then inside view controller, all I have done is that I have imported the GLTF kit 2. This is our environment file name. So this one, use whatever you have. So it is basically an HDR file, not a PNG file. So you can just search for HDR files on Google, you will find a lot of files. Environment intensity, I have kept it as 0.8. Here I have created one scene view as well as scene node, and this is animations array, so GLTF scene animations. And here I am using some dispatch queue.global. Here we are initializing our scene view. So yeah, and here I'm not really using this background color, but yeah, if you want you can use it. Then here, but you will have to add it inside your assets folder as well. I haven't added that. So here I have added our scene to our view. Then we are creating our scn scene, then adding our scene.root node.add child node. Then I am adding the contents as well as the intensity as well as the scene. And here we are loading our fox GLTF model, so fox.glb. so this is the name and this is the extension. Change it to whatever your glb file name is. Okay, and this should be fox, sorry, like I have copy pasted the code. Next, here we are loading our assets, so gltf asset.load, and here we are loading it on the main thread. So here I am just calling prepare asset, and once we call that, we call prepare asset over here. Then we make use of our dispatch queue, and then we just create one source, assign our animations to our animations variable from the source. If the asset scene is not there, then we just return. Then here we are creating one node and adding it to our asset container node. Then we are creating one scene out of it, and then over here, as you can see, I'm printing out the animation count. So from this you can get however animation you have. Suppose you have 3 animation and you enter the index as 3 over here, because 3 animations, that means 0 1 and 2, right? But if you enter 3, you will get a crash, so be careful with that. and then we just use scene.root_node.add animation player and just start playing our animation. And here handler I have set it as null because there is no error as such. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.